Alright, free lawnmower off of the curb. Let's see if I can get this thing to run. I don't know if it has any spark or anything. We'll find out in a few minutes. I'm going to pull a spark plug, throw a little bit of seafoam down the spark plug hole, give it a pull, see if there's any spark. If there's spark, then I'll think about working on it. If there isn't, well, then it's just going for scrap. I'll pull the spark plug out. It's awful black. Looks pretty wet. So I'm thinking it might not be having any spark. We'll find out in a couple seconds. Also looking at the air filter they had in this thing. I can't see how any engine is supposed to breathe and suck air through that. Definitely needs a new air filter. So let's try see if she'll start without it. Okay, after checking the oil on here, it was down a little bit, so I topped the oil up. I've taken that dirty air filter off because it is absolutely disgusting. But it has spark. So let's see what I can do with it here. Actually, I'm gonna get a vice grip or something to hold that safety bar down so I can film and start it at the same time. Alright, so I got the vice grips on the safety bar. Shut. Not too bad for free. All I needed basically is a little bit of oil, and it definitely needs the air filter. That air filter is plugged right up. So I'll blow it out. Maybe I'll throw a new air filter on it. Sell it on Kijiji. After giving it a bath, she looks beautiful. Like a brand new lawnmower. It's Comfy 127cc. Now I'm gonna post that sucker and see what I can get for it.